Today I've got 3 tiny tech treasures that you're going to want to know about, and they make great stocking stuffers. The first one is the Go 200 from Vankyo. Comes in this snazzy box. And when you open it, you are greeted with this marvel. Look at that. It's just so beautifully made. It's got a vent fan here, a 6-volt power supply there that used to charge this. It'll run on a battery. And the best part, it's Wi-Fi. So I can connect to my home network and stream videos on the wall. You want to see? Let's turn these lights out and I'll show you. I think it's already in focus. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And that's pretty bright, running on a battery power. On top is a little touchpad that you can use to bring up the interface. Look at that. This is projecting on a felt background that I use here in the studio. But let me make sure it's in focus for you. And then I use this touchpad and a little mouse control. And let's bring up a YouTube video. You can sign into your own account, do a search.
Beautiful park right across the river. And
the audio on it is really good.
Upside down falling thing I like to do.
I like doing that upside down falling thing. Oh, and you can take a USB stick, stick it in, and play videos directly from that.
Wow, my gray hair really pops on this projector video.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, you can see every line of my face.
Hey, Ken, you want to do a high five?
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right.
Did we get it?
I think so. So here's what it looks like on the side of my house from about 20 feet away. It looks a lot better out here in real life than it does on the camera maybe, but I'm telling you, I can't believe that this is streaming on this little itty bitty device. It looks fantastic. Here's how smart this little thing is. If I shine it on the ceiling, it knows what angle you have it. As I put it down the ceiling here, you can see that it's changing it so that it won't distort. It always keeps it flat. Isn't that just amazing? The Vankyo Go 200. Here's how much it is. And you can get one with the link in the description. Makes a great Christmas gift. That's Tiny Tech item number 1. Tiny Tech item number 2 is from Musen, the same people that brought you this wonderful radio. This is an amazing device. You wouldn't even believe the sound from this. They use some kind of evil magic to give you that full... If you walked into a room with any kind of Musen audio product playing, you'd look around for a huge stereo system. No lie, this is the best sounding radio ever. And it's teeny tiny. Look how small. Here's how this sounds.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star.
Thoughts?
Flying over streets and...
Thoughts, Dana?
It's just truly unreal, man. And there's no way that this little microphone can pick up what we're hearing.
And they've packed the same technology into their latest device, this little guy. This is a Bluetooth speaker. And it's beautifully made. Look at this thing. The case is all metal with plastic accoutrement. Just a brilliant little item. And it comes with a little flashlight for no apparent reason. Don't know why, but why not? I'm logged into Epidemic Sound. If you need some music for your YouTubery, well, there's a link in the description for a free 30-day trial. Epidemic Sound. So, play. You may not be able to tell from this mic how amazingly awesome it is. You can control the volume with this slider right here. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a Yeah. I can feel the bass emanating through my hand. I don't know how they do it. It is magic, this thing. this paired with this, you've got a little movie theater that you can put in your pocket. Tiny Tech item number 3 is right here. There it is. It's the baby brother of the Emerald MS-18 flashlight, 100,000 lumens. This is 13,000 lumens, delivered in a beautiful package. This is a very unique flashlight, and I've been using this a lot. In fact, I used it recently to find my lost quad. Sean, have you been recording any of this?
I got a lot of it. Okay. It's going to be mostly dark, but I got a lot of audio.
This sucks because...
Oh, don't go down, because you go down, I'm going down.
This is the last thing I saw in the DVD.
Alligator! No, I'm
yeah, oh my God. We looked for that thing for hours that night, and this lasted the whole time. I have this set right now to, I believe, 8,000 lumens. But you can click it twice and go the full 13,000. There we go. That's 13,000 lumens. You may not be able to tell because this camera will dial it down, thankfully for you. But in here, it is bright, and it's actually, I can feel the heat from this distance. I can feel the heat of this flashlight. And if I had a little teeny tiny egg, I could fry it on here, just like I did with its big brother. You can see here, it is actually cooking the egg. The Emerald MS-03 has a really interesting battery with a USB 3 charger port on board the battery, right there. It's got a LED indicator right here, so it turns green when it's done. Only takes about 30 minutes to charge and lasts for a good long time. It's got several settings on here, including strobe. You've got your choice of brightnesses. It's just a really handy dandy little flashlight. There you have it, the 3 Tiny Tech items, perfect for stocking stuffing this holiday season. And I would know, because I live near Christmasville. You've got the Vankyo Go 200 mini projector, the Musin Wild Mini portable Bluetooth speaker, and the Emerald MS-03 tactical flashlight. Am I giving any of these away? Hell no, they're all too cool. I'm gonna keep them for myself. Thanks for watching. Sorry. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, buh and bye. That's annoying. That's a quality table. And the ghost creeped up the stairs ever so gently. That worked. I'll be damned. Thanks, WD-40. Oh, much better.